Welcome. This video I'll show you how to fix Black Ops 7 if it keeps restarting or crashing on your PC. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. In the first step, you gotta go to your start menu right here, right click on it, and just gotta click on settings. Okay, click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead over to the left panel and click on privacy and security. Okay, once that's done, go ahead and click on Windows Security. Okay, wait for it to load, and again, find device security. You're gonna want to click on it, and that will be a pop-up just like this one. And as you can see, we have core isolation. All you'll do is just click on core isolation details. Click on it, and as you can see here, we have memory integrity. This one prevents attacks from inserting malicious code into high security processes. So what you'll do is just go ahead and turn this off. Okay, if you're playing Black Ops 7, turn this off. Okay, and that will be a pop-up. Just click on yes. And once that's turned off, you're gonna want to restart your computer. And once that's done, go ahead and play the game, and you should be good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.